There is an old story from India about the god Brahma who was feeling bored and wanted to play again. He created the goddess Maya, and once he told her the purpose of her existence, Maya said, "Let's play the most wonderful game. But for that, you'll have to follow my instruction and do exactly what I tell you to do." He then followed the instruction and created the universe, the planets, the stars, the moon, the sun. Maya said, "How wonderful is this world of illusion you've created. But I want you to create one more animal that is so clever that it would be appreciating the creation you have done." Finally, Brahma created the humans. Maya said, "The game will begin now." And she cut Brahma in tiny little pieces. She put a piece inside every human and said, "Now you're going to forget who you are, and you're going to try to remember for yourself." And still even today, Brahma is still trying to remember who he is. It is all a game of illusion, as are your limitations. So play big and choose wisely.